Brad Pitt is expanding his real estate portfolio with another multi-million-dollar purchase. The megastar has closed on a Hollywood Hills home for $12 million. Set above an iconic outpost estates, behind gates on a lofty perch spanning just over a third of an acre, the white stucco and terracotta roof structure offers picturesque views stretching from downtown Los Angeles to the Santa Monica Bay. Originally built in the late 1980s, the home features 6 bedrooms and 8 baths in roughly 8,300 square feet. Gated motor court entry conceals a majestic Mediterranean villa boasting architectural details with warm contemporary interiors, the perfect blend for synergistic effect. Upon entry, a soaring wood beam foyer flows to a living area sporting a stone fireplace and steel-framed French doors spilling out to the backyard. From there, another living area is topped with an embossed tin ceiling and a fanciful light fixture. A dining room and a fireside sitting area connect to the sleek eat-in kitchen, which is outfitted with ebony-hued cabinetry and Wolf and Miele appliances. This home takes advantage of a promontory ridge front seat that affords endless dramatic views. There's a vaulted movie theater fit for a movie star. The comforts continue upstairs, where a sumptuous primary suite flaunts a Murano glass chandelier, a fireplace, a wraparound balcony, and a marble-clad bath equipped with dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a glassy shower. While the garden-laced grounds host a free-form pool and spillover spa, bordered by a barbecue station and a fire pit lounge, dual garages, and a detached hillside studio with a recording space.